Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Cadillac 2015. This car here, the customer complained about transmission issue. This car is XT5 Cadillac, and the customer complained about, he said the car have a transmission issue. It doesn't shift well. It have a lot of problems. So I was trying to diagnose the car for him, but he said, no, I have a guy that he gonna diagnose it for me. And he went to the technician. He diagnosed the car and he told him that there is no communication with the transmission control module. This is a transmission control module, which it have solenoid inside, and it controls the speed, changing gears. All these are here. Some of them they have, yeah, that's what I believe it is. So now, after he drove the car, I believe the technician forget to put the seal. There is a little bit of leak, but he fixed that one. He drove the car. There is a car is, there is a kick on changing gears or hard shift, but that's normal because you just finish putting the oil. You have to start the car, let it run so that it can circulate the oil pressure and at least drive testing it to let everything work. This is the car here. I look like I have to update this machine. I am happy with this 608. It's very good, but if you have a car and if you are a technician, you say replace battery in the remote. This remote here is a proximity. My purpose here is just to check the car after the repair to see if there's any code or anything that we have to take care of it. Always scan the car before you see passenger car XTS and 2050. Good morning. Okay, now this is a passenger car Cadillac. We drove this car, everything is good, but also just to be sure, I am going to generate a complete diagnosis for this car. Front camera view 0, front camera view module 1. I don't know if I have it. I'm not sure, but I don't believe I have. Do I have it? I am not sure. I don't believe, but just let's go to the next. The key, I'm gonna put it here. Headlamp control. I'm not sure which one is, but it have like 3 headlamp control. Diagnose, control unit. Now I'm gonna go back, diagnose the whole car. Auto scan. Engine control unit. Pass, transmission pass. No code. Wow. Maybe there is 6 code in one place. He also mentioned that those things, they don't work. So maybe the clock spring, this here we have a steering column, and those shifter is send signal there to the car. Electronic brake control module, we have 1 code. Inflatable restraint. The airbag we have 4 codes. Parking assist 1 code. Suspension 1 code. Amplifier 1 code. Body control module 1 code. Human, machine, air condition. Other than that, transmission no fault. Nothing here. So let's see the report. This airbag also have a code. Let me see. Maybe history code. Click 1 again. Let me start the car. SRS light here is gone. I don't have anything. Suspension. Amplifier, body control, keyless module, radio. You see here, I say left front wheel speed sensor circuit low. This can make the car, can put the car into trouble too. Okay. Inflatable. Lost communication is the body control module. Lost communication is a cluster. passenger module, lost communication with the speaker amplifier, parking control, invalid receive from the body, left front shock absorber, right shock absorber, amplifier, electronic control unit, hardware internal checksum. What is that? That's in the amplifier. Body control, keyless battery low, human interface control, lost communication with the device, online bus, communication, recirculated position, that's air condition, main temperature control, right temperature control, rear temperature control, air follow. All these are codes. So what I'm going to do is I will save it, save as PDF. How many mileage? 1515 585. Okay, there is a car. This is a date, file name, (2015). Cadillac. File information, report. Save. Okay, save. Okay. Save, let me see what it is. I don't see here. I want to do one more. I don't know why it doesn't want to take it. Okay, save successful. Now we're going to come here, email it also. Idris Harun. Good morning, Mr. No. So I send this message to my email, and then I will go back now. I go back again, and I will push the button for more than 12 seconds till the ignition is on. What do you say? Okay, now I'm gonna erase everything. Close the door. Okay, now I want to see what fold I have. See, I have one fold left. Let me see what is there. Okay, what code is here? Key, you know, the remote key. We have a message here also. It's a remote key or suspension system. I don't know what happened to the suspension, but go back. Okay, I want to go again one more to another thing. Transmission control. Transmission information. Module identification information. Okay, and model number, base model number, software ID number, software identifying number 1, 2, and 3. Software 3, alpha AD, it have 4. Okay, 24270 So this may be the last one. 422, 19, then 1970. There's 67.5, and then base number. Then this is how it go. I'm not sure, but we have an idea. Module identification. Okay, calibration part number, calibration verification number, calibration part number 2, verification number. I don't know what that means. Then 3 and 4. I don't know what that means, but I believe there are some software. Maybe this is update 7424, 7419. Maybe they all the same thing. Then 7422. Then 6752. That may be the calibration part number 1. Escape. Okay, I don't have nothing to do here. The only thing left for the ABS now. I'm gonna go to ABS to see electronic brake control module. I believe, yeah. That is coming always after. Okay, I need data. Data will tell me if really the code that I see in it is true or not. Right front wheel, right rear wheel, left rear wheel, left front wheel. Okay.
Small booster leguito.
Margin drive. Hold on. Okay. Right now I'm gonna try to start this car to see which wheel is not. Just look at it now. Which one is not working? Just look at it. Bismillah. Okay. Everything look work now. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing, they all move. Okay, they all look good, so I can't say nothing. We're gonna leave it. If you pick up the code, then we can say, okay, there is a problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. If this part doesn't work, so we have to look for it in the future if the customer wants it, but now we can't do nothing. Thank you.